Hey, did you know that it's easy to make a deposit into our ATM? Follow me, I'll show you how.
First, insert your card into the ATM and use the keypad to enter your PIN number. The ATM will ask you the type of transaction you want to make. Select Deposit. You can make a cash or check deposit. Select the type of deposit you would like to make. Now it's time to insert your cash into the ATM. The ATM will count or read your deposit once it has been accepted into the ATM. The ATM will show a summary of the deposit amount. You can select to enter more cash or checks, depending on your deposit type, or select Continue if you're done. You will need to accept the funds availability statement on the ATM. Typically, funds you deposit at an ATM we own will be available on the first business day after the day of your deposit. It's that easy. Now, just select No to complete the transaction. The machine will ask you if you want a copy of your receipt and remind you to take your debit card. Thanks for watching.